my little cute little intro for this one gonna be? What's my little cute intro gonna be? Yes, yes! I'm a big Buffalo Trace fan. I'm a big Stagg fan. This is Stagg 23C. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Brad's Bourbon Reviews. I'm Brad, and today I have another bottle that I am so excited to get into. Like I said in the intro, I'm a big Buffalo Trace fan. I'm a big Stagg fan. To me, Stagg 22B is still my favorite Stagg. Now, to be fair, I've only had Stagg 22A, 22B, 23A, 23B, and now tonight we're going to open and do a fresh crack of Stagg 23C. I have heard that this is the best out of the 23s. We'll see. 23A was pretty dang good, but we'll see how we feel about this. Now, this is interesting because this is the lowest proof of the Staggs, and when I say that, it's still 125.9 proof. So it's not like it's, 110, anything like that. It still packs a punch. So let's go ahead and get into this bottle. I'm very curious to see how I feel about this one. I have heard from somebody that I trust very, very much. I call him my Bourbon Yoda, Robert Fernandez, that this was one of his favorite Stagg releases of all time. He was able to try this the day or two after it came out, so I'm excited to see if it's as good as he says it is. I'm curious. I love Stagg. Stagg is one of my favorite releases, something I look forward to from Buffalo Trace. Every single time they release a product, and I can't believe I got all of them this year. It's pretty exciting. So let's get into Stagg 23C. I'm curious to see. Let's give it a proper nosing and see what we feel about it. A little proofy, but not crazy on the nose. Oh my God, that chocolate note. Chocolate maple. And some leather. Okay. Now we're in the area that I like for Stagg. Those are all notes that I think are like some of the best notes to get on a Stagg. Man. That smells... that leather note is really coming in. This is so good. On the nose, even if this is not like the best palate I've ever had, I'm gonna 100% after this review. It's my last one for the night. I am 100% pouring a glass of this, and I'm gonna smoke a cigar with this. This smells absolutely incredible. This is about as close to 22B as I can remember on the nose, at least. But enough on the nose. Let's give it a mouthing and see what we feel. Oh, it's so good. Yes. I'm so happy. Oh, it's so good. Man, that's really, really good. Yep. Chocolate cherry on the palate. A little hint of leather. A little proofier than I was expecting, to be honest, on the palate. I still think 22B, for whatever reason, just drinks underneath its proof point. But this is really solid. There's almost like a s'mores note. So chocolate, graham cracker, and a little bit of like toasty marshmallow kind of. Yeah, that's really good. Man, I don't know. That might be as good as 22B. All right, I need a backup of this immediately. I will do everything in my power to get another one of these, even if I had to trade another bottle or something. That's really, really good. I really enjoyed that. Man, that's good. Going back to the nose a little bit, that cherry note's coming through. That's really good. I really, really like that a lot. Yeah, there's nothing about this that I don't like. It finishes a little oaky, so if that's not your thing, that's probably not for you. If you don't dig high proof stuff, I think that this might be one of the Staggs you might not enjoy. I still think this one drinks a little proofier than even 125, almost 126 proof. But man, is it really, really solid. I really enjoy this. Yeah, that's really good. It's really good. There's nothing to complain about. Stagg 23C is awesome. I can't wait to see what they have in for 2024. I can't wait. 24 is going to be great. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below. Is Stagg something that's like on your radar? Do you care about it at all? Have you ever had a Stagg? If you have, and if you're like a longtime Stagg person, what's your favorite batch of Stagg? I would love to hear what you have to say. Please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, cheers.